Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I'm here at 3524 West Shore Road, Unit C-807, located in Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom, renovated, updated, top-floor condo located in the Lockwood condo complex here in Warwick. So we're going to begin our walkthrough as if you walked right through your unit entryway into your spacious living area. So the living area and bedroom both house this freshly cleaned carpet flooring. On top of that, the entire unit houses a nice fresh coat of paint. It looks excellent all throughout. And the living area houses these wide open windows, lots of bright sunshine coming into here, a lot of outlets for, an entertainment system, TV, and honestly, living room has a nice wide open feel to it, so you have lots of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups to put in here. Perfect for a sofa, again, entertainment system, whatever you'd like to fit, you got a good amount of room for. That's basically your living area. Adjacent from that, you have the kitchen space. But before we go into the kitchen itself, just wanted to show off that you do have this nice bar table right here, perfect for a couple stools. So no necessity for a dining table itself. You got this as your perfect dining setup. But going into the kitchen itself, beautifully renovated in here. You have a new vinyl wood flooring. On top of that, a lot of kitchen cabinets, some around the sink to your left, and to your right, even more around the stove. So lots of kitchen cabinets, a good amount of countertop space, of course, as well. A couple of outlets for any kitchen plugins you'd like to have. But you really won't need many as you have all of these stainless steel modern appliances already hooked up. This, of course, includes the large size refrigerator, built-in microwave, 4-burner glass top stove and oven. And across from that, the single bin sink and dishwasher. Awesome, so a really nice, updated, renovated kitchen you have here. From there, we'll go ahead and check out the bedroom to the right. So as I said, same carpet flooring in the living area you have in this bedroom. And again, wide open window, lots of sunshine into this unit. And recommended bed size, I would say perfect for really a queen bed set. You could try and fit a king. I think a king could fit, but I'd say queen is your best bet. As far as a bed set is concerned, good amount of outlets once again, and you got a good wide open layout in here too. So whatever bed set you choose, you got a lot of room for other pieces of furniture. Just to show off as well, you have a pretty sizable closet in this bedroom as well. So a good amount of bedroom storage on top of that. Last but not least, we'll check out the bathroom, which is right across from the bedroom. Bathroom houses a tile flooring, as you can see. Full tub and shower hooked up, ready to go. And you even have in-unit laundry in this bathroom. Washer and dryer fixed up, ready to go. That's a huge benefit to this unit, in-unit laundry. And lastly, you just got the sink, little sink area over here, some cabinets underneath, and a large mirror vanity up above. Awesome. So once again, this is 3524 West Shore Road, Unit C-807, located in Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of our listings, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.